Well, one of our favorite guests is here back. This is Silvia. She's the owner of Salsa with Silvia. She's here to spice things up on this Monday morning. Welcome back to Good Morning Washington.
Thank you, Good to see you both.
We were practicing salsa here in the break, and you will see a salsa lesson for me and Eileen coming up in a moment. But first, tell everybody at home about Salsa with Silvia and a big anniversary that you guys are celebrating.
Yes, we are celebrating 7 big years. And I know that because my little daughter is 7 years old.
Oh
exactly.
My gosh.
And we opened the studio right after she was born, and let me tell you, that was
As a mom of a 2-year-old, I can only imagine.
Yes.
So you basically gave birth to 2.
two, yes. Now I have 3 babies. Well, 4, because I have 2 studios now and 2 babies.
Wow. Oh my goodness. So let's talk a little bit about salsa and, just kind of the history of the dance. And I think, a lot of people see it and they think it looks really fun, but it's a little intimidating.
It is a little intimidating. In fact, somebody was just saying that is one of the hardest dances out there.
Oh, it is.
And I don't think it is. The way we teach it at Salsa with Silvia makes it so easy. People come to the studio very intimidated. You can see it on their faces. And then they walk out of their first class with a big smile on their face. They tell us amazing stories about how it's changed their lives. So with the right teacher, it's not that hard, but salsa is just an amazing outlet for so many people.
Well, and you have such a great community there, and I want to talk a little bit about that because we paid a couple of visits to you during the pandemic, and you say that you now talk to people that say, you saved my mental, mind during the pandemic. Without salsa, I wouldn't have been able to do it.
Absolutely, and you were at the studio when the kids were there during the pandemic. We had a kind of like a school at the studio helping kids with virtual schooling, and parents have come to us, told us that we've saved their marriages. Adults have come to us and said we have saved them from depression. And stories like that just, bring tears to my eyes. It's just so touching to hear all that. And that's why we're here. That's why we went through the pandemic, to make people happy. We have people of all backgrounds, all cultures, and everyone is welcome. You come to Salsa with Silvia, you make friends.
And also, that's another great point, though. I think sometimes a lot of people are looking for community, and what a great way to meet new people, to listen to some great music, to move your body. So I just think that it's a win-win. How can people sign up? Because I know we're anxious to learn a few.
And we should talk for spring. It's first day of spring, but for summer camps for kids, parents, this is a great outlet for kids, correct?
Yes, we have a fantastic summer camp for kids. In fact, if you don't rush and register by end of January, our DC camp is full, but we do have spaces in Bethesda.
Okay.
It's a beautiful location, and we do a lot. It's a learning camp, so we learn math, science. We take them out, we do arts and crafts, we dance, we do sports. It's an amazing camp. So salsawithsilvia.com and salsawithsilviaforkids.com.
All right. Now we're ready for our lesson. This is my 4th lesson from Silvia. She pointed out before the show started.
This is my first time.
And she's shocked that I still haven't grasped the concept of salsa.
By the way, is this what I get for maybe I don't want to say making fun of you, but with the Irish dancing the other day?
All right, here we go.
Well, we'll give you credit because you do try a lot of things.
Thank you.
Okay, so right foot forward.
Right foot, okay.
Yes, right foot forward. Left foot. Yeah.
Left foot forward.
My other right foot. So 1, 2, and together. And then we go back. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you got it. Go back. 6, 7. Together.
Okay.
Forward, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Good. You guys are ready to partner up.
Oh!
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
So come together.
Oh, gosh. Okay.
So let me
Left
fix the hold here.
Oh, fix the hold.
So he's holding you like this. And your hand. Yes, much better. Okay. So I showed you your part, and you're just gonna mirror.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be here. So you're gonna be going forward on your left, and you're going back on your right.
Okay.
2. Wow, you guys are there. You go, and then back. You're gonna follow me.
Okay, sorry. Let's start over.
And 1, 2, 3. That's it. And 5, 6, 7, and 1. Wow, look at that. I told you with the right teacher. 7 and 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
5, 6, 7.
All right, we gotta go to break. We're gonna keep dancing. Sylvia, thank you. We'll have more good
Thank
morning
you
Washington
so
right after the
much.
break.